The issue I'm experiencing with my Ryker Sport is that whenever I stop the vehicle, put it in park, and pull the key, normally a few seconds later after pulling the key, everything shuts down and turns off. In this instance, the brake lights, the tail lights, are staying on. I don't know what's causing it. This video includes 5 trips that I've made, get gas in various places where I stop the bike, pull the key, and everything goes off except for the tail lights. I can fool around with my foot and my hand and wiggle the brake pedal around and they'll go off, and I have reached underneath and pulled the brake light switch fully open. I don't think that the spring is strong enough to keep it open, and that's what happens. It could be just the spring is not strong enough, or it could be the switch that's bad inside and does not allow the spring to pull open to turn off the lights. I also don't think that the brake lights are staying on. It's weird. They're not bright enough, because whenever I do work the pedal, the tail lights get brighter. That doesn't make any sense to me. The brake light switch is what's turning the lights off, but the brake light switch, whenever I engage it, makes the tail lights come brighter as if brake lights are on. And of course, it's like all things, it doesn't happen all the time. It only happens some of the time. But when it does happen, it worries me, and I'm afraid the mechanic may not be able to duplicate it.
There's the Ryker lights on again. And it just won't go out. Tail light. Whenever I shut it down. Let's see if it works. It doesn't now. It's really beginning to tick me off. I'm having an issue with this Ryker whenever I turn it off. And I mean off. Once you get there, the lights go off after a few seconds, but my rears are staying on. My neighbor knocked on my door yesterday and told me they were on. Came out and I pushed the brake pedal on and they still didn't go out. I don't know what's going on. Like right now they're staying on. Yesterday late afternoon I took the bike out and they went off. I don't know what the deal is. Brake lights are still going to stay on. Yep. I don't know what's going on with it right now and why it's doing this. So let's see. Okay. So I play with the brake pedal a little bit and the lights go off. Something that I'm going to have to investigate.
In this part of the video, I have come home and I parked it, I put it in park, pulled the key, and I get up and I notice that the brake lights are on. It shouldn't take long at all for the thing to shut down and everything to turn off. So about this time, I look, brake lights are on again, I come around to the front, the headlights are off as they should be by this time, but then I go around to the back and the brake lights are still on.
Okay, once again it's shut down all the way, but the brake lights are not shutting down. Well, I guess there could be worse problems. Let me play with this brake lever. Okay, they went out. Alright. Good. I'm wondering though if the brake lights should come on whenever the thing is off. Emergency flashers, yeah. But brake lights, I don't think they should.